Hey guys, and welcome to the Lightblink channel. So today I'll show you how to install Windows 7 on VMware Workstation Pro. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download the ISO. So just go to this link, I've just copied and pasted it, and just press download. Since I've already downloaded it, I'll just cancel the download. And of course you want to have VMware Workstation Pro installed first. So now launch it, and then just click create a new virtual machine. And now just keep it on typical and press next. And then click install a disk image file ISO. Press browse and browse for where you saved the ISO. Since I already have it, I'll just keep it. So now press next. And now just put your name, and if you want to put a password, just put a password, and you can choose the version of Windows to install. You can put in your product key if you have one. I'm not gonna put a password either. It's called easy install. Just skip through the installation. So now name your virtual machine. I'll just name mine Windows 7 tutorial. Now if you want to save it to a different folder, you can just save it to a different folder. I'll just keep it regular. So wherever you want to save it, if you want to save it on external drive or something like that. Okay, so now just press next and press store virtual disk as a single file. If you're gonna make it a lot of disk space, it's gonna be better to store virtual disk as a single file because it's just gonna make it faster. Because it says the text explaining that disk makes it easier to move the virtual machine to another computer, but may reduce performance with very large disks. So now you can just change the size. I'll just keep it on 60. And now you can just press finish, but I'm going to customize hardware. And since this computer has 16 gigabytes of RAM, I'll just put 8. So it's the best to put half of your RAM or less, because if you put more, your computer might crash or something like that, or your computer would just be really, really slow. And then you can change your processors. I'm going to put 2 processors and 4 cores per processor. And then I'll just get out of here by pressing close and press finish. And now it's just going to create the disk. This shouldn't take too long, just maybe a few minutes. So yeah. Okay, so now it's done. You won't have to click power on. It's automatically going to power on. So you don't have to click anything. Just wait until it finishes loading files. I'm just going to enable stretch mode. And then you're going to get the starting Windows screen, just the regular boot screen, and it should take you to the setup. Okay, so now it's going to say setup is starting, so just take a few seconds. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to select the operating system you want to install. It's just going to be blank on the operating system place, and it's going to say architecture x64, so just select the only one and press next. Okay, so now once you finish, it's going to say Windows needs to restart to continue. You can wait for it to restart automatically or just press restart now. Okay, so now we've got Windows installed. Now it would usually just take a while to install, but I've just sped it up. I've made it really fast. So yeah, so now once you've installed, you're gonna get this thing that says select a location for the network. So just press home network, because you're probably at home if you're doing this, and then just wait. And now it should connect to your network and apply the settings. Okay, so now it's gonna say share with other home computers running Windows 7. You're probably not gonna use this, so you can just press cancel or just press next. I'm just gonna click next, and I'm just gonna press finish because I'm not gonna write down that password. So now we want to install VMware tools. So as you can see, the resolution is really low. It's 800 by 600. So to install VMware tools, we need to press on the VM button, and you want to press install VMware tools. Now Usually it would not be grayed out, but if it's grayed out for you, then just shut down the virtual machine. Okay, so now you want to just click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings and select the floppy. Since we're not going to use floppy, we'll just press Remove and press OK. And now just power on the virtual machine. Okay, so now once you're in here, just press on the VM button, the same button we clicked last time, and click Install VMware Tools. This time it should work. Then you'll get a little pop-up at the bottom. So just scroll down and go Open File Explorer and click this computer or just computer. And click on the DVD drive VMware Tools and click Yes. So now this is going to take a while, so just wait a little bit. Now we're going to see this DVD drive. Don't click Run Setup 64, just click the X because you already have an instance. So you're going to see Windows Installer, just wait a little bit. Now you're going to see Welcome to the Installation Wizard for VMware Tools, just click Next. And if you want to use the Aero theme, you want to install Complete, but if you don't want to use the Aero theme, I would recommend installing Typical. I'm going to use the Aero theme, so I'll use Complete. So now just click Install, and it's going to take a while, so just wait. Okay, so now you're going to see this VMware Tools updated via mouse and blah 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 requires a system restart. So just click Finish and just click Yes, and the virtual machine will restart. Okay, so now once you've installed it, you're going to see the window will become full screen. If you had it on stretch mode, it might not work, so just disable stretch mode and then just make the window smaller, and then just maximize the window again. And then it should work. So now, if you want to enable Aero theme, just right click on the desktop and now click Personalize, and it's just going to load. So I'll just go into full screen here and then select any Aero theme you want. I'm going to go with the regular Windows 7 Aero theme. And now you've got Aero theme working, and it works perfectly. It might make it a little bit slower, but you see it's perfectly fine. And if I open up File Explorer window here, it also works. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.